Ooh. Yo, do that next time when you had a baby. Like come up to me and blow on my chest. Like, it's on.
That was me, bro. That homosexual video. Like the video with the white dude. That was me, bro. Like, I'ma just tell you right now, it was me. You know? And that's just a part of my life where I was just doing anything. You know what I'm saying? It's wild shit. I was doing crazy shit for money. So that was me in the homosexual video, man. Did y'all hear me? Did you want to clip that? Oh, he admitted it. That was me, bro. That was a point in my life where I did a lot of homosexual acts. You know what I'm saying? For money. I'm not a homosexual. That's just the truth. But it was a hustle for me. I did it. That was something that was always haunting. You know what I'm saying? My lifestyle and it is what it is, bro. Y'all can hate me, but I did it. You know what I'm saying? I was trying to be bisexual. I was trying to, like, for the benefits, I was trying to do everything for the money. Like, it didn't matter. I was hustling, bro. You know, I come from a very poor background. Like I told you. I come from fucked up out there, no mother, no father, everything, you know what I'm saying? So it didn't matter. I was going to get it, so you know what I'm saying? So, you know, I did some things I'm not very proud of, you know, and that was one of the things that haunted me, and it came out, and it was very embarrassing. I wasn't embarrassed about that, but it's the truth, you know what I'm saying? Now, you know, it is what it is. So let's get that out in the open right there, you know what I'm saying? Attracted to women. I was attracted to transsexuals. It's just who I was at the time, man. I'm not proud of that. It is what it is. I just gotta be honest. This is what I'm here to do. I'm here to reveal everything, the good, the bad, the ugly. That was me in the video, in the porn video, and at one time, that's who I was, and I evolved from that. And I tried to be gay at once, like I really wanted to be. In my life, like I told you, I was trying to be bisexual. I want to be bisexual. If it was up to me, I would be bisexual because it was like, it benefited me in one, you know, because that whole Hollywood world is homosexual. And so I would have been paid, you know what I'm saying, if I could, you know what I'm saying, do those things. And so I was into that world, you know what I'm saying, and I didn't give a fuck what people thought about me, and didn't know I was going to be a spiritual teacher one day, trying to be a black leader. But and that was one of the reasons why I didn't want to speak. I didn't want to do videos, because I knew that I did homosexual things. I knew that the black community would never accept me, you know what I'm saying? And so I had so much knowledge in me, and I wanted to speak it, but I was afraid that would haunt me. Like all the homosexual acts, all the dancing for guys and dancing for women, being a stripper, all of my past actions as I came into my real self, I was afraid that would haunt me. And it did. It was a very terrible moment for me. I was like, oh my God, this is all coming out. This is what I get, you know, for trying to be, you know, somebody, you know what I'm saying, to talk, you know, become my real self. My evolution, my metamorphosis was crazy, you understand? So, me coming out about that was like, yo, it's just who I was, bro. It was something that I did, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's not proud of that. It's not okay. You know what I'm saying? And I admit that I did that. I want y'all to know that I'm transparent.
They took our computers and phones. If they found anything, when I got locked up in Nicaragua, which was after they ran down on us in Mexico because of the false accusations, I would not be free right now. But I was exonerated to show y'all that they are bullshit. That I ain't doing nothing wrong, nigga. And don't you think that if I was doing something illegal, I would not get online and disappear on y'all niggas? I don't gotta be online, nigga. If I was doing something illegal, don't you think I would be offline, nigga? I would not be here. I would disappear on y'all. Y'all would not know where I was located. You wouldn't see my background. I would not be all open like this. If I was doing something illegal, don't you think I would motherfucking not be live? Why the fuck would I get on live knowing that this shit is illegal? Think with your own fucking mind, nigga. These niggas is playing games, nigga. They just hating. The fuck wrong with these niggas? Put some flowers in my face. Put the hearts up in the building. Oh yeah, we got his location. Yeah, we got his house. $450,000 house. Weird ass nigga, you's a weirdo. Where is your life at? Where are you going? You snitch? You a fucking snitch. And the nigga said a video at the Bloods is after me and all this shit. Nigga, what? The Bloods want to kill me and I stole their drugs. Niggas is making up shit like motherfucker. Like what? Desperate. It's unbelievable how desperate these motherfuckers is, yo. Bloods is after me. Nigga, if they wanted me, they'd have had me. Shit is make believe. These niggas is they getting money off your views. You sit around laughing and joking and making money off your views. It's funny. But the sad part is, they chose the nigga that's a nature boy or a chief nigga. This nigga ain't doing nothing illegal, nigga. And real niggas know that. Real niggas in the real streets and with reality of what's really criminals and shit that's really going on, niggas is looking at me like a hero. Like, yo, you blocked me. Yo, what does Isaiah 45:7 say? Let's find out who the devil is. Who is the devil? If the devil is my God, then who is God? God is separate of the devil? Is God separate of the devil? I don't know. That's a good question. Question of the night. Is God separate of the devil? You want to block somebody? It was her?
It was immortal, yeah.
I don't think it was that person. I think it was somebody else. They might be.
Can they just go to your block list?
Is it recent? It'll show the recent ones up top. That's a factory. This don't block the first 3 people, because I know I blocked somebody I didn't want to block. Huh? Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, maybe the first 3. Unblock the first. Those are in order, right? They in order? Alright, unblock the first 3. Yo, the question of the day is the devil separate of God? Where you going? You know I got my eye on you. Oh, okay. You want to go inside? Yo, who created the devil? That's a fact, Boomy. Who created the devil? Is God and the devil separate? Isaiah 45:7 say what? Sound off for me.
I form the light and create darkness.
I form the light and create darkness. Ooh. Yo, do that next time when you had a baby. Like come up to me and blow on my chest like, it's on. Now, this is who I am when I'm not online. And I'm gonna be more like this with y'all if y'all let me. free. Yeah.